Dust in the Wind is not a hard song to play. You can play this. As I always say in these videos, the problem when you're learning Dust in the Wind is you look up a tab on the internet and it looks like this. Nothing wrong with those tabs. Those are great tabs. Totally respect those tabs, but they can be a little overwhelming for people who are learning to play the guitar. I've got a better way to think of this. We need the right hand first. So if you would, hold a C chord, please. Okay, in your right hand, put your thumb on 5, put your middle finger on 2. Okay, play those two notes together. Okay, now put your thumb on 4, and now put your index finger on 3. Okay, make sure you obey those finger markers. Okay, so play 5 and 2 together. We're going to call that the outside. Okay, now play 4 and 3 together. We're going to call that the inside. So maybe what you want to do just for a couple of minutes is practice going outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside. Okay, now the actual pattern of the intro is this. It's called Travis picking, by the way. All right, we're going to play the outside notes 2 and 5 together. Play the inside notes separately, 4 and 3. Play the outside notes separately, 5 and 2. And now the inside notes separately, 4 and 3. Okay, so this is what you should think while you're practicing this pattern. Outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside. Really not that hard, okay? Now this tune is pretty fast, all right? It'll take some time to, get it up to speed, but who cares about that right now? Let's just play the tune, okay? So we have this. All right, not too hard, all right? Work on that. All right, now that we've got the right hand, let's get the left hand. It's just as easy. Watch this. Okay, look at my tab here. It's not even a tab. It's just the mental concept you should use to approach this song. All right, hold a C chord as it says there. Now look at all these numbers. It looks crazy, but it's very easy to understand. All of those numbers you're looking at are your second string. Those are the frets on your second string. Okay, so let's go through it together. So we've got a C chord. You see we're holding 1, of course, on the second string and a C chord. Okay, we can just strum it right now. Okay, now open your second string, make it 0. Okay, now drop your pinky onto the second string on the 3rd fret. That's 3. Okay, go back to 1. Now, go to an A minor chord. That's the second line, okay? You see this A minor chord starts on 0. Open that, okay? So open that string, okay? Reach out with your pinky to the 3rd fret on the second string. That's the 3. Now to the 1, and then open, okay? 3rd line, back to a C chord. Throw the whole chord, that's fine. All right, this one starts on 3. Your pinky is over here, okay? Hit it, okay? 1st fret. Open, drop your pinky. Okay, the last one's easy. A minor starts just like the A minor, starts on 1. Open the second string, 3, and 1. Okay, now I want you to notice something real quick. Look at these numbers. It goes 1, 0, 3, 1, 0, 3, 1, 0, 3. It's the same thing over and over and over again. It never changes, okay? So I recommend you practice this, okay? This is what it kind of sounds like. I'll do it kind of fast. So 1, 0, 3, 1, A minor. 0, 3, 1, 0, C chord. 3, 1, 0, 3. Last one, A minor. 1, 0, 3, 1. And I'll explain that little tab at the end there in a moment. Okay, now what do we have to do? We have to put it all together. Here's the idea. Okay, hold your C chord. Every number you see there, you need to do one complete picking pattern. So it's like this. 1, 0, 3, 1, A minor, 0, 3, 1, 0. I'll speed up. 3, 1, 0, 3. Okay, A minor. 1, 0, 3. And then on this one, just stop on the 1. Okay, and that little tab, do you see that at the end? This is the part where he goes like this. Right, he leads into the verse. Just hit the 1st fret of your 2nd string with your open 5. Okay, it's kind of like Blackbird a little bit here. hold the second fret of your fifth string. You can do it with your middle finger or your first, it doesn't matter. And your third fret of your second string and go like this. Okay, so that last one stops short. Okay, so we have that A minor again is 0, 3, and then stop. Okay, that's the idea, and that leads you straight into the verse. That is the mental approach you should take to Dust in the Wind. Let's do a little play along together now. I'm going to play it slowly, just so you can play with me, okay? The song is very fast, we know it is. Who cares about that right now? Just enjoy playing the tune. All right, ready? Let's go. Ready, go. I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.